In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have notifications turned on so Outlook can alert you about upcoming events, important emails, and document activity, helping you stay on top of what matters. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. Once your mailbox loads, look toward the upper left area of the screen. From there, select the File option you see at the top left, then choose Settings. This takes you into Outlook's Control Center, where you can fine-tune how Outlook communicates with you. Inside Settings, look for the General section in the left-hand menu and select it. General is where Outlook groups a lot of the everyday preferences you might want to adjust. Within General, find and click Notifications. This is the hub for all the alerts Outlook can send you while you're working. Now turn on Notifications in Outlook. Enabling this master setting tells Outlook that it's allowed to alert you when something needs your attention. You'll see a section labeled Notify Me About. This is where you choose exactly which kinds of alerts you want. Enable notifications for mail so you're prompted when new messages arrive or when important email activity happens. This is especially helpful if you're waiting on a time-sensitive response. Next, turn on notifications for calendar. This is the key to getting reminders for meetings and events. With this on, Outlook will pop up reminders ahead of your appointments so you have time to prepare or join on schedule. Finally, turn on notifications for documents if you collaborate in Microsoft 365. That way you'll get alerts when there are updates or activity related to shared files. A quick tip: if you've enabled these options but still don't see alerts, your web browser or your computer's notification settings might be blocking them. Make sure notifications are allowed for your browser and for Outlook specifically so the reminders can appear on your screen. Also, reminders work best when Outlook is open in a tab or when you have the Outlook app installed and running. Once you've turned on the Mail, Calendar, and Documents options under Notify Me About, your reminder setup is complete. From here on, Outlook will surface the right notifications at the right time, helping you catch upcoming meetings, respond to emails promptly, and stay informed about document changes, all without having to keep checking manually. That's it. You've successfully set up reminders in Microsoft Outlook by enabling notifications for the items that matter most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more organized day with Outlook keeping you on track.